Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful Christmas, New Year holiday. Ethereum trade activated from yesterday, which is beautiful. Jumping charts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll look at XRP because it's one of the most highly requested cryptocurrencies. Happy New Year everyone. MCRT pumping 7% as well. Check out this, 7% yesterday. It's 7.39%, up 7% against Bitcoin, up 7.3% against Ethereum, which is beautiful. Ranked 734. 8.7 million market cap, volume 908,000, a lot of DEX volume. So over the Christmas holidays has been growing, which is beautiful on the release of the PC version. Let's jump into, this was yesterday when I showed about the Ethereum trade, and now that's active. Yesterday's video, this was about how many hours ago? It was called Bitcoin Ethereum about to get out of control. It was 1 day ago, 24 hours, and this is the same setup. It's 4.63, actually stop loss just there. It's a 6 risk to reward ratio trade, and that trade on Ethereum is now active. Bybit, we've got a $200 profit trade on Bitcoin and a $34 profit trade. It's just 3% on Ethereum, but that's $230, small amount, but still not bad. Make sure you don't keep much in your exchanges, everyone. In this exchange, I only keep $135,000 in here. We got a bit of a pump. It's up about 4,000 since yesterday because Bitcoin, I've got 4.1 Bitcoin in here. MCRT up quite a lot. I got 4,000 profit on MCRT. I've got 7.3 million MCRT, 5,000 USDT. I'm going to buy more Bitcoin because I think Bitcoin is, let's do technicals. I think Bitcoin is going to go on a run, so I'm going to start stacking more Bitcoin, just spot and on the trade. I've got a 20,000 MCRT up 4.6%. Let's look at Bitcoin. Ethereum is slightly positive on that trade. The same trade setup. It's very oversold on the hourly. On the 4 hourly, it's heading down, but I would keep the same setup trade on Ethereum, which is beautiful. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin slightly, it's just sideways moving. We've had not much of a range at all. We've moved from like the range on Bitcoin right now is like for the Christmas holiday, it's been between 16,900 and 16,700. It's only a $200 range. So we made $200 profit on a $200 range, which is quite amazing. I would still take that same setup that we had before. It's just slightly in the profits, but the same long setup. I think Bitcoin can go for a run here because when I zoom out, we've got a few bullish formations. I'll show you the few bullish formations that we have on Bitcoin. We've got this, the main one is this big descending triangle. Let's see if this loads. We have this big descending triangle, which is a very bullish pattern. It's a descending triangle. It builds pressure, and breaks out to the upside. If that happens, 25K will be the target. You can also see volume is starting to increase, but the range is getting very tight, which is interesting. Then we've got, when you zoom in, we've got even closer. We've got this symmetrical triangle, which can break out to the upside. And then when we zoom in even closer, we've got a smaller symmetrical triangle, which is coming to the conclusion point right now. And you can see volume increasing at this conclusion point, which is interesting. We've got volume increasing here on the conclusion point. So if that breaks, I think it's going to break out. Target will be 17,651. That same long setup that I had before, I would take the same long setup. So this was the long that we had before, which is slightly in profits. If you haven't opened it, I would set the long from there, stop loss here, and take profit at the same target, 25,000. This is a massive risk to reward. It's a 43 risk to reward ratio trade. For every $1 risk, $43 gain. Without using any leverage, it's $203 risk to make $8,900 gain. Without leverage, $200 risk to make $8,900. That's why people ask me, why do I do derivatives leverage trading? Why do I show these on my videos? Because if you're already a millionaire and you put $1 million into Bitcoin and it doubles, you have $2 million. That's life-changing money. But if you have $100 or $500 like a lot of my audience, and you put $500 into Bitcoin and Bitcoin doubles, now you have $1,000. You made $500. It's not life-changing money. But with $200 like this trade, without using leverage, $200, you can make $8,900 profits, and with 10x leverage with $200 you can make $89,000 profit. So that's the potential. That's why leverage trading is amazing. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 16,747, a little bit of a pullback before opening. 16,543 is the stop loss. Take profit 25,000. 43 risk to reward ratio trade, risking 203 to make 8,900. And this is the trade that I have set up already on Bybit right now. This is the trade that I already have set, already open, and slightly in the profits. Now I'm also going to buy some Bitcoin derivatives. MCRT is up 8.6%. MCRT, the PC version release, got a lot of people. Look at that. I'm going to buy more. I'm going to buy $2,000 or $2,000 worth of MCRT, and this is, you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. This is my project. I am the founder of this project. So I bought $2,000 of MCRT, and I'm going to buy the remaining of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin USDT, I'm going to buy the remaining of Bitcoin. So order value $3,000 of Bitcoin right now at 16,700. These aren't longs. This is spot. I'm actually buying Bitcoin like directly here. So 16,747, 16,747. I'm buying another $3,000 worth of Bitcoin at 16,747. Confirmed these true trades. These are spot buying. So it's buying Bitcoin and it's buying MCRT. I'm buying 428,000 MCRT and I'm buying 0.183 Bitcoin. And that's on spot positions. And then the longs I have active already, a 20,000 Bitcoin dollar trade, and I think this one is a 10x leverage on Ethereum. And this is a $9,000 Ethereum, $10,000 Ethereum trade, which is beautiful. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of the video down below, everyone go down below, sign up to Bybit. That's where you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT. You can go spot, you can short, long Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you can get up to 30,000 USDT worth of bonuses when you sign up using that link to Bybit. And you can also buy MCRT on there, and you can join everyone in Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group, and talk to the other students, which is beautiful. And we have some promos going into the new year as well. We've got special discount on courses, Crypto Master Course, Stock Guru Master Course, 20% off until the first of the first. Jump on that, 20% off the courses. Such a wonderful community. You're associated groups of absolute gurus. Thank you, Roshan. The content keeps getting better and better, James. This is one of a few channels I actually watch until the end, and one of the only channels worth telling people about, which is beautiful. And there's also another promotion. You can win 1 Ethereum if you register using that Bybit link and you trade Bitcoin or Ethereum up until the 31st of December. You can win 1 Ethereum if you meet those conditions. And MCRT is now available on PC, and that's what caused this run up on MCRT, because of the release of the PC version. Now it's playable on iOS and Android and PC, and there's people already winning quite a lot of. You can already win huge amounts. It's the first real play to earn game that's now available on iOS, Android, and PC. beta.magiccraft.io. Thank you, everyone. Have an amazing Christmas and New Year. Hit the subscribe button down there. 78,000 people. Smash up, thumbs up on it. Let's jump into XRP, because I almost forgot. Let's go into XRP. It's not something that I like to buy XRP, because I've been following them since they launched back in 2016 or 15. I can't remember exactly, but I was watching it in the early days, and they never really built anything besides the court case. But XRP is up. Look at this bottoming formation on the 4 hourly on XRP, which is interesting. Most likely will cause a cup and handle, but that's a very bullish pattern with a lot of volume coming in. And then we've got this bigger formation on the 4 hourly. We've got this on XRP. There's quite a big formation forming here. Symmetrical triangle building on XRP. It's coming to the top of the symmetrical triangle, so you need to wait to see if to go long. Inverse, let's see on the daily. Bottoming formation on a large support, which is interesting. And we've also got this trend line on the longer term time frame. If you look at the daily, it's on an ascending trend line here with a symmetrical triangle. If it does break out, your target would be 51 cents, which is quite a big movement for XRP, which is very interesting. Maybe there's some announcement coming. Why did it pump 7%? But it's now hit the resistance of this symmetrical triangle, but it's on an ascending trend line, so it builds pressure, and if it breaks out here, it will break out to the base of the triangle, which would be this distance here for all XRP holders. We'd get a movement like this, targeting 46 cents, but the big resistance at 51 cents. Thank you for watching, everyone. Again, don't forget, sign up to Bybit using the link down below. Join my 7,000 students on the Crypto Master Course, and check out Magiccraft, beta.magiccraft.io. You can already play and win 3,000 MCRT per day, 40,000 MCRT worth of prizes every day playing right now. You can play the game on your iOS, on Apple phone, on Android, and on PC now, which is epic. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, do your own due diligence, not financial advice. This is my thoughts on the market. I love you all. Having a mate. What a year we've had, and what years. If you've been following my channel for more than almost 2.5 years now, we will keep going, and I will make these videos. If you've been watching my travels throughout the world, done everything from my phone, technical analysis, investing, trading, stocks, cryptos. Love you all. Amazing adventures together. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.